Good morning, Stickman students. Today we are going to learn something very important. Wake up back there, this is important. All right, class, today we're talking about why math is the key to technology. Every computer program or app is built with math.
Oh, like video games?
Exactly, games use lots of math. Great question.
Sir, why is math so important?
That's a great question. Let me show you. We use math in practical ways, like finding the area of a room.
Oh, exactly. Great job.
That's right, math is the foundation of all technology.
So, how does it work in a phone?
Great question. It uses math for the screen, battery, and signals.
Oh, I get it. Sir, even mobile phones?
Great question. Yes, even mobile phones. We can use their screens for geometry. Your phones can draw triangles and circles.
Wow, cool!
All right, let's try it. Yes, phones run on mathematical algorithms. For example, this function models a signal.
So, my phone is just math?
Exactly. It's all about clever math.
What about games?
Even more math. What is an algorithm?
Is it a math thing?
It can be. It's a set of steps to solve a problem. Like a recipe? Exactly. A recipe is an algorithm for cooking.
Oh, I get it.
All right, class. Let's look at this equation.
Teacher, what does the C mean?
Good question. It represents the hypotenuse.
Oh, like the longest side?
Exactly. You've got it. Great job. Computers understand only numbers. Math is their language. Yes?
So, everything is a number?
Exactly. The computer sees this as 120, 626, 154, 130.
Oh, I see.
Good.
Sir, what about games?
Great question. Let's play a game.
Yay!
We'll review sports.
Awesome! Yay!
All right, settle down.
Games use math for movement, physics, and scoring. For example, physics equations make jumps realistic.
So games are like moving math class?
Exactly. Math brings games to life.
Awesome! I get it now!
Good question. GPS uses satellites to find your location. The satellite sends a signal to your phone. Your phone then knows where it is and shows it on a map.
So that's how navigation apps work?
Exactly. All right, class. Who can tell me about this triangle?
It's a right triangle!
Excellent. And the other two angles?
They add up to 90 degrees.
Perfect. Great job.
Sir, is math used in AI?
Yes, definitely. We use equations like these to teach AI how to learn from data.
Wow, cool!
Statistics helps us analyze data and make predictions.
Like weather?
Exactly. We can predict rain.
Or sports scores?
Yes, you can predict almost anything.
Sir, what is coding?
Great question. Coding is how we tell computers what to do. We write instructions in a language the computer recipe to a chef.
Sir, is coding math?
Yes and no. Coding is like using math to solve problems.
So it's math with letters?
Exactly, like these stick figures, but with instructions. Yes, coding is applied mathematics.
So it's like solving puzzles?
Exactly, you break down problems into steps.
Oh, like an equation!
Yes, now you're thinking like a coder. Yes? What about cameras?
How do they work?
They capture light to create images.
So they're like magic eyes?
Exactly, a very clever invention. All right, class, let's talk about image processing.
Like blurring and sharpening?
Exactly, watch this. Pixelation reduces detail while edge detection highlights boundaries.
So edges are where colors change?
Great question.
Sir, how does math help security?
Great question. Think of this lock. Math finds the key.
So it's a puzzle? Cool, I get
Exactly, math unlocks security. Anytime, keep asking, thanks. Encryption uses complex math.
Can you give an example?
Sure. For instance, this equation here. It might look simple, but it's part of a secure system. Ah, a great question. Encryption is like a secret code. It scrambles your message so only the right person can read it. Like a locked box for your information.
Oh, I get it.
Exactly. All right, class, let's turn data into secret codes.
Like a cipher?
Exactly. We replace letters with numbers. Hello becomes 315421212.
So chai is 38? You got it! Sir, is math used in banking apps?
Absolutely. It's essential for things like interest calculations and risk analysis. So, the answer is a big yes.
Thank you!
Good morning, class. Today, we're learning about nature. Who can tell me what this is?
It's a tree!
Correct. And what do trees give us?
They give us oxygen.
Excellent. Keep reading. Rockets depend on physics and math calculations.
Like gravity and thrust?
Exactly. And we use math to predict their paths.
Wow, cool.
Of course.
Sir, how do satellites work?
That's a great question. Satellites orbit the Earth. They are held in place by gravity, moving very fast. This one circles the planet right here. Cool! All right, class, let's apply this to orbits.
How do we use the equation?
We solve for the variables, like velocity.
So it's like a satellite?
Exactly. All right, class, let's review this triangle.
Okay!
The area is half the base times the height. Like this? Exactly! You all got it!
Sir, is math in cars?
Ah, yes, let's see. For example, speed is distance over time.
Oh,
That's cool.
what about fuel?
Exactly. Yes, especially in self-driving cars.
So they can drive themselves?
Exactly. The car handles everything.
Wow, no more traffic jams?
That's the goal. Very efficient.
Sir, how?
Good question. Let me explain. This arrow shows the solution, see? Now you try it.
Ah, I get it now.
All right, class, let's connect sensors with our calculations. The arrows show data flow from sensors to our equations.
So the circles are sensor inputs?
Exactly. Now, let's calculate the outputs. All right, class, who can tell me what this equation is for?
Is it for an airplane?
Exactly. It's the math for a flight path. Who wants to explain the next part?
It's the velocity.
All right, class, what do we call this shape?
What math? It's geometry.
Exactly. Well done. So, as you can see, the variables here are directly proportional. Now, let's look at how this affects the overall equation. Any questions? No? Good. Moving on. Okay, class, who can solve this?
I think I know. Is it 2?
All right, what's your answer?
It's 2.
That's correct. Well done. Great job, everyone. They control direction. Who can give an example?
Like a captain steering a ship?
Exactly. They decide the path.
So they have the power?
Precisely. All right, class. What are these shapes?
A circle, a square, and a triangle.
Correct. Now, let's add one more.
A star.
Exactly. Let's label them. All right, class. What does this symbol mean?
A question?
Exactly. It means we need to find an answer.
Like a mystery to solve?
Yes, a mystery. Let's solve it together. All right, class. What do you think of when I say buildings? Great ideas. Now, draw your favorite building. You there, what's that?
It's a skyscraper.
Wonderful. Keep going. All right, class. Let's look at these paintings. What do you notice?
The colors are so vibrant. They all have stick figures in them. Yeah, in different situations.
Exactly. Now, open your books to the project page. No, buildings can't be made without math. Look at this house.
But how is math used?
To calculate dimensions and strength.
What about the bridge?
Even more complex math is needed.
So math is essential.
No, sir. Buildings need geometry and measurements.
Interesting point. How so?
Like for building shapes and heights.
Exactly. Angles and areas are key. All right, class. What type of math is used in buildings?
Geometry.
Yes, exactly. What else?
Trigonometry. That's right.
Anyone else? Perfect. Great job, everyone. All right, class. Let's look at this equation. Who can tell me what we do first?
Is it the order of operations?
Exactly. We handle the exponent first. Geometry is a type of math about shapes.
Like circles and squares?
Exactly. And patterns in those shapes.
Cool. Like tiles?
Yes. Great, draw some. Okay, class. Who can identify this shape?
A triangle.
Yes. Now, what about this one?
A cube.
Excellent. You are all doing great. All right, class. Where are shapes used in technology?
A robot.
Yes, the robot is made of squares and circles. And where else?
The CD and triangle?
Okay, let's start with the base.
Right. I'll connect this part. Good. Now add the supports. Here's the diagram for the top. Perfect. The angles match.
Do mobile apps use math?
Yes. Absolutely.
Exactly. Apps need calculus to work.
Like calculus?
Yes. So put the phone away. Yes, sir. They run on logic and algorithms.
And memory, sir?
Yes, exactly. Memory is crucial. What about processors? The brain of the operation. Great question. Logic is about reasoning. What are the parts? Exactly. We start with premises, the facts. Then, we use reasoning to reach a conclusion. And the conclusion must follow from the premises. All right, class. Let's solve this equation together. We use the formula on the board.
Oh, I see now.
Exactly. That's the key.
Thanks. That makes sense.
How does math improve thinking?
It helps us solve problems.
Exactly. And how does it do that?
It teaches us to think step by step.
Great job, everyone. What is problem solving?
Finding solutions to challenges.
Exactly. Let's write that down. Great job, everyone. I got it. The answer is 5.
Really? Show me.
See? X squared plus y squared equals 25?
Ah, so x must be 3 and y is 4.
I don't get it. Is math useful in daily life? Anyone have an example?
Counting change at the store. Yes, budgeting.
Measuring for recipes. Perfect. Cooking a treehouse.
Great job. Yes, from shopping to time management, planning is essential.
How does shopping help with time management?
Great question. You list what you need and find the best route. This saves time and reduces stress.
Sir, how does math help in time?
Good question. Look at the clock. Math helps us tell the time.
Oh, I see.
Exactly, and it helps us calculate how much time we have.
Cool.
All right, class, time calculation is based on numbers. Let's look at the clock. The numbers help us tell time.
Oh, I see
Exactly. The hour hand points to the 10, and the minute hand points to the 2. So, what time is it? Video editing? It's how we make videos.
But how does it work?
Well, you cut clips, arrange them, and add effects.
Like transitions and text?
Exactly. It makes the video engaging.
Cool.
All right, class, for animation, timing is key. It controls the flow between frames and cuts.
So how do we set the timing?
Great question. We use the frame rate and sync it with smooth cuts and transitions. Sir, how does animation work? That's a great question. Let me show you. We start with a drawing, and then we create the illusion of movement. And that's animation! Okay, class, animation uses coordinates. We combine them with motion math to create movement.
Like this line here?
Exactly. The math makes the line move. Now you try plotting a path.
Okay.
Sir, what are coordinates?
Great question. They're for locating points. This x-axis is horizontal, and the y-axis is vertical.
Oh, I see.
Anytime. Great question. All right, class, let's look at the board. Who can match number 1?
The blue ball.
Excellent. Now, number 3?
Perfects.
You all get a gold star.
Sir, how do games move characters?
Great question. We use math like position and velocity. Position is where it is, like here on the board. Velocity is speed and direction, making it move. Oh, I get it. Excellent question. Physics in games is how we make objects move, jump, and interact realistically. For example, a bouncing ball uses gravity and collision physics. It's the science behind the fun.
So games are just physics simulations?
A motion, gravity, speed calculated by math. These equations explain it all.
How does math know gravity?
Gravity is a force. F equals ma. What about speed?
Speed is distance over time. Sir, is math used in sound?
Yes, sound is made of waves, and we use math to study them. The frequency of the wave is the pitch, and the amplitude is the volume.
Oh, I get it now.
Sir, can we avoid math?
No, we need to cover this. But it's so boring.
Yeah, can we do art? Or a game?
Focus, everyone. We'll be done soon. Sir, biggest benefit?
Profitability! Efficiency! Scalability!
Synergy! All right, class, let's look at this equation.
Sir, what does that symbol mean?
Excellent question. It represents a special operation.
But sir, is that even possible?
Exactly. Let's break it down. Sir, final tip? Always review your notes and approach with confidence. Got it. Thank you. Solid advice. You're all set. Good luck. Good day. Math is the language of technology.
How is it a language, sir?
Excellent question. It uses symbols to solve problems, just like words form sentences. Let's practice this language. All right, class. Who can tell me what this is?
A circle.
That's right. And what color is it?
Red.
Perfect. Now, let's draw a square.
Exactly. Great job, everyone. All right, class. Let's learn some math today. Who can tell me what 2 plus 4 equals?
6.
Excellent. 6 is the building block for our future.
I get it.